Assalamu alaikum. My name is UBAID Khan, and the topic of my presentation is Mohenjo Daro civilization. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization located in the western region of South Asia and spread over what is now Pakistan, northwest India, and eastern Afghanistan. Its excavation was first conducted in 1921 and 1922 in the ancient cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Both are now in Pakistan. It is believed that it is created by Darwinians. The Indus city was made of mud bricks building. It had walls and roads also. Water was very important to the Indus people, so the builders started by digging wells and laying drains. Most Indus people, perhaps 9 out of 10, were farmers and traders. Mohenjo-daro civilization is divided into two sections. One is the cathedral, which is smaller in size but more developed, and other is lower town, which is larger in area but less developed than cathedral area. Cathedral area at the western end of the site is an area known as the cathedral, and this area of the city was built on the top of a mound of bricks, almost 12 meters high. A large staircase ran up the side of this mound. Cathedral area may have been used for the public gathering, religious activities, or important administrative activities. Lower Town: The Lower Town is made up of numerous lower mounds like lies to the east and may represent multiple walled neighborhoods. The Lower Town is organized on a grid system with four avenues running from north to south and four running from east to west. The avenues are several meters wide and have drains running down the middle of side of the road. Here are some features of houses in Lower Town. Most of the houses are made of baked bricks in standardized size. The remain of stairs seem to suggest that many of the buildings had two stories. The houses were cool inside. The thick wall kept people cool in the heat of summer. The wall was covered with mud splatter. It is not clear if people painted their walls. Underground sewer pipes are said to be planned and organized by the centralized government. Great Granary and Great Bath. In 1950, Sir Mortimer Wheeler identified one large building in Mohenjo-daro as the Great Granary. Certain walls division in its massive wooden superstructure appeared to be grain storage bays, complete with air duct to dry the grains. Granary is adjacent to the Great Bath, and the Great Bath is without doubt the earliest public water tank in the ancient world. Finely fitted bricks laid on the edge with gypsum plaster and the side walls. Most scholars agree that this tank would have been used for the special religious function where water was used to purify the bathers. Mohenjo-daro trades and arts. Indus Valley cities lived by trade. Farmers brought food into the cities and trade goods, including terracotta, pots, beads, gold and silver, colored gemstones, metal, seashells, and pearl, etc. Most articraft unearthed were toys, indicating that Darwinians liked entertainment and loved to play. Disappearance. Their disappearance remained a mystery due to no trace of war. So there are possibilities like famine, hunger, drought, or ecological factor like natural disaster, flood, earthquake, volcanic eruption. So their disappearance is still a mystery. Thanks for watching.